Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blue spirulina powder. This vibrant blue superfood, derived from algae, offers a unique nutritional boost. It's essentially the phycocyanin pigment, giving it that striking blue hue without the strong taste of green spirulina. It's packed with antioxidants and may support brain health and muscle recovery, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. Incorporating blue spirulina into your routine is simple. Begin with 1 to 2 teaspoons daily, and you can gradually increase this amount to 1 to 2 tablespoons as you get accustomed to it. It blends seamlessly into smoothies, especially with fruits like banana or pineapple, which help preserve its beautiful blue color. You can also use it to naturally color lattes, baked goods, or other culinary creations. To get the most out of your blue spirulina, proper preparation and storage are key. Always blend it thoroughly, adding liquids first to help prevent any clumping. Store the powder in an airtight, opaque container in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to protect its vibrant color and nutrients. Once opened, it's best to consume the powder within 3 to 6 months to ensure maximum freshness and nutritional value. Ready to get creative? Try a refreshing blue spirulina smoothie by blending 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, and 3/4 cup of coconut milk with 1 to 2 teaspoons of blue spirulina. You can also use it to make stunning smoothie bowls or layered parfaits, adding a beautiful pop of color to your healthy snacks. For more great ideas and to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to these leak-proof containers, plus other deals. Enjoy experimenting with this amazing superfood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.